I got smoked today trading futures. I'm going to get into drip. I am, but I just first wanted to just say that I got absolutely smoked. I was up big pre-market and I got greedy. I should have just walked away, but I got greedy and I kept trading. And then when I started losing, I got angry and I started revenge trading, which is just doing super risky, dumb shit. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. This is Beach Office 365, where I bring you the latest and greatest in crypto, DeFi, and passive income. If you're new to the channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. Also, if you get anything from this, hit that like button. I'm sure you guys saw the short that Scott, the investor, put out. Just a stand-up dude right there, you know. Listen, I know that I might be looking like I got it all together, but a lot of that is, lights, camera, action. Most days it is really a challenge just getting out of bed. And I think that, the drip community, again, I'm so touched. When Scott was when we were together this week, I even said to him, I was just like, man, I was blown away at the support I've gotten. It's incredible. And what's incredible is the homeboy coming out and seeing me. Driptopian had said in a moment's notice he would get on a plane and come over. What was cool about the meeting with Scott is we've never met in person, obviously, but I text the dude every day, right? I DM him every day, and we have different groups that we're in. And you talk when you're in communication so frequently. Like when we met in person, there wasn't any of that weird factor. There's that kind of weird, awkward feeling sometimes when you meet somebody new. It was like I had just gotten together with him the week before. His muscles were a little bit bigger than what shows on the. He always is wearing like a sweater or something like that. You can never see his arm. Dude's got. But he's such a modest guy. He doesn't walk around like showing it off. I look forward to when drip blasts off and we can all meet, because we will do some type of drip con. I've been saying I wanted it in Vegas, but I'm open to suggestions. There are certain price levels that if drip were to get to, I wouldn't even care where or how far away it is. I'll go anywhere. Vegas is kind of easy for me, so there's a selfish component to that. But I also really love Vegas. Yeah, big surprise, I'm a complete degenerate, is why I'm really excited for Triple D. And did you guys see Stunner's video the other day? He says he saw some of the stuff. He got a sneak peek. I'm pumped. Let's take a quick look at drip. Usually on these pumps that we've had, it pulls back. Again, I've never seen it do the double thing. And then we're holding up here. Look at this. We got a little bit of volume that came in here. Sorry, my screen is, there we go. Coming over to the native DEX, it's at 57 cents. So, it's fighting. It's fighting, but it's definitely stopped the kind of slow and steady downward. You guys know I've said it many times. I don't want to keep saying, well, when this happens, then drip will take off, because that's what I did with the animal farm, and I don't want to have to do that again. But however, I'm just saying that Triple D should definitely get some movement. Whatever these games are that Forex has, and the piglet thingy, and I forget what it's called, but we're gonna continue to deal with a lot of sell pressure. But I think getting drip to break $1 is very doable. Real quick, coming over. Hang on, let me clean this up here. So real quick, I touched on the coin engine. I did a short, if you guys remember. So these were my 2 entries for that short, and I nailed it. This was trading in this channel, and I was pretty certain, we were gonna test this down here. So I may have gotten smoked on futures today, but I do have some wins that I can at least gloat about a little bit. If you want to know, here's another one that I got into. Oh, nice. It broke above this. Yeah, doggy. Okay. So This is Blur, BLUR. And by the way, a lot of the coins that I trade and the platform that I like to trade crypto on is KuCoin. They just have a lot of the, red light district, dirty penny stock type meme, metaverse, futuristic coins, basic degen, just degenerate filth. It's beautiful. So this one, I trade this one really nice because I got in here, which is a little risky because it had already started to move. And I sold right here after it had come down. I sold and then I waited and I actually bought back in here, and I was getting nervous because we had this big drop down. But I assumed it was going to hit the VWAP, and now it broke that line. So we're looking good. So keeping this one short and sweet, let me know where you would want to have a drip con if we were to ever put something together. What part of the world would you want it to be in? What part of the world? What city? Leave that down below. And again, remember, this is not financial advice. I'm not an expert. I got my face blown off today by some futures. So don't do what I do, except, and I'll do another video on this, buy Bitcoin. Thanks, everyone. I'll see you on the next one.